January, February, March we go. April, May, we're on a roll. June, July, August, sunny days. September, October, November plays. December comes, the year is done. 12 months merry, everyone.
January, snowflakes fall so white and fun. Build a snowman in the winter sun.
February, hearts shine red and bright. Hugs and love from morning till night. March, winds blow the kites up high. April, showers
Make flowers say hi. May, butterflies dance in the breeze.
Pretty colors fluttering with ease. January, February, March we go. April, May, we're on a roll. June, July, August, sunny days. September, October, November plays.
June, picnics under blue sky glow. Ice cream melting,
watch it go.
July, fireworks light the sky.
Boom, boom, boom.
Oh me, oh my.
August, beaches, waves crashing. Build sandcastles
With a big grin.
September, school with books so new.
Pencils sharp and friends with you.
October, pumpkins orange and round.
Halloween tricks all around. January, February, March we go. April, May, we're on a roll. June, July, August, sunny days. September, October, November plays.
November, thanks for family near.
Turkey dinner,
Yummy cheer. December, gifts and twinkling lights.
Santa's coming on.
Snowy night.
What's your birthday month? Shout it out loud. Sing the months again.
Make your teacher proud.